Hi Dadi, wish you a very happy 70th birthday. For your birthday, we made you a video clip. So before we get started, pause the video, make yourself a cup of tea, and get some snacks, and let's get started.
Dearest Lily, wishing you a very happy, special 70th birthday. You are the best. I am very lucky to have you in my life. Wishing you a very great life ahead with all the happiness and
Wishing you a very
very good
happy
health.
birthday, Mama.
Be blessed
May
always.
God bless you with long, healthy, and blessed life ahead. Since it's your special birthday today, we all want to say something nice for you. Firstly, when we were young, nowadays what parents do, they get them gadgets for money. You gave us your time. I think that itself is a very big example of a responsible parent. So you are a very responsible parent. Thank you for that. Secondly, whatever you cook, Mama, every dish, be it a simple dal or a chicken biryani, turns out to be really very yummy. I've always admired that, and today, but I want to put it in your words because it's a reality. Thirdly, you have led your life in a very contented way. Whatever you had, you thought, oh, I've got lot of things. Not very many people have that quality in them. You are really have that quality. Whatever one suit you have, you are very happy with that. And we, like me, we want this, we want that. But you are so satisfied with what all you have. And another thing, whatever relation, whether it's your neighbors or it's close relationship like me, you have maintained in an exceptional, calm, and above everything in an intelligent way. Lot of things to learn from you. Now, in my this talking, I might get a bit emotional. So we have made a very nice video for you that is to show you how much you love, how much we all love you. But it's a promise that you will not cry. The video will follow soon. We all love you, Mama. You're the best Mama in the
Birthday,
world.
Mummy, and thanks for everything you have given to us. And we look forward to see you again in Australia. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Nani. I hope you have the best day ever and get spoiled with many presents. I really love you and I miss our evening walks together.
Happy birthday, Nani. I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy every second of it with your family and friends. I love everything you do for me, like making me delicious meals like garlic bread. I really love you. Bye.
Hello, Mama. Wish you a very happy birthday on this special day for a very special lady. I hope the next few decades of your life are as happy, as joyful as the last many have been. I hope you continue to be blessed with lots of smiles, lots of love from everyone around you and your friends. I know you're very popular amongst all of your family and everybody that meets you, whether it's from your society, whether it's from your neighborhood, whether it's from your past life. They've all been very attached to you. They're all very fond of you, which is very unique. One of my personal joys of life is food, and you have this amazing gift of making every meal that you cook extraordinary and special. So every time I meet you and every time I have food that you make, I feel very happy. You're also a very positive person. You've seen some very difficult challenges in life and you've taken them all in your stride. And I hope you continue to enjoy that strength and grow that strength over years to come. Happy birthday, Mama. Have a great year ahead.
Hi, Mama. Wish you a very happy 70th birthday. I'm so happy and excited for your special day. I want to tell you that I had a wonderful childhood. I felt so loved by you, Dad, Shweta, Rishi, and you gave us so much love, attention when we were growing up. I think that's what a child needs the most. And I'm so happy that you have moved closer to us now. It's great to spend time with you and Dad, and Mannat and Meher. They totally adore you, and spending time with you, playing games, card games, is something that they always look forward to. And the love that you have for your children and your grandchildren is really incredible. The amount of love that you shower upon us is makes me feel blessed. On your special day, I want to tell you, I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Nani. Wishing you a very happy birthday. I love to spend time with you and be in the park with you.
Happy birthday, Nani. Thank you for taking me and Mannat to Ambience Mall and making us delicious meals. I love to play Uno with you.
We love you. Wishing you a very happy 70th birthday. Hi, Daddy. So, for your birthday, I'm going to play you a violin piece called Happy Birthday. Hope you enjoy.
Hi, Mummy. Wish you a very happy birthday. This is a landmark birthday of yours, and it brings a delightful opportunity for you and for all of us to celebrate all those wonderful years we have spent together. If I start listing the things you have done for me, then the time for this video is going to run out very fast. Just reflecting my life with you, all I wanted to say is thank you for always being there for me through thick and thin and rain and sunshine. I'm blessed to have you as my mom, and words can't express my love and gratitude to you for all that you have done for me always. You are a great mom, and I love you. Can't wait for you to be in Australia again.
Hi, Daddy. Thanks for spending so much time with me, and I love you and wish you a very happy birthday and have a great day.
Hi, Mama. Wish you a very happy birthday and many more years of happiness ahead of you. Just want to say that I share the same sentiment as Rishi, and I just want to thank you for everything you've done for us all through these years and for the love that you've showered upon us all these years. Just want to say that we are looking forward to having you and Daddy here with us in Australia so that we can make new memories with both of you. Thank you so much for everything and happy birthday once again. Bye.
On your 70th birthday, we wish you all the very best. Have a happy birthday and a wonderful life ahead. Stay happy, stay blessed. Love you. Take care. God bless. May you have a wonderful life ahead.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Didi.
birthday from all of us.
Happy birthday, Didi. Have a great day. Happy 70th birthday. I can't imagine you are 70 years old. You are like a little doll. Ravi's pyari behan. Russian Didi. Yes? He loves you. We all love you. You are such a pure soul. You are such a sweet, smiling face. Please keep smiling and be always happy. Okay? And have a great day. Enjoy your 70th birthday and keep smiling. Love you.
Wishing you a very, very happy and blessed 70th birthday, dear Lily. You are a gem of a person, and I'm lucky to have you in my life. Spread your aura of love, happiness, smiles, and positive thinking for another coming 100 years. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day.
Sister Lily ji, how are you? Wish you a very, very happy birthday. May God bless you with long life, happiness, and good health. कैसा लग रहा है आपको? 1 साल बढ़ गया ना? ऐसे ही धीरे धीरे हम बड़े होते जाएंगे और बच्चे हमें खूब एंजॉय कराएंगे. बच्चों के साथ तो मजा ही हो रहा है. कितना अच्छा लगता है. कभी इधर आते हैं, कभी उधर जाते हैं, कभी नानी पास जाना है, कभी माँ पास जाना है. बस ऐसे ही लगे रहते हैं. भगवान इनको ऐसे ही लगाए रखे और हमें भी अच्छा लगेगा कि हमारा दिल लगा हुआ है. ठीक कह रही हूँ ना? Once again, happy birthday.
Hello, Lily Madam. Very happy birthday. This is your special 70th birthday, and we all are very happy to have a nice time with you and Malhotra ji and all family members. This is really enjoying that you have entered in our category, and this is now, I think, 70s journey. What can I say? बस मुझे तो लगता है कि ये जैसे मैं आपको ये गुलाब का फूल दिखा रहा हूँ, ये इसलिए कि आप इस तरह ही मुस्कुराते रहे और खुश रहे और एंजॉय करें लाइफ को मल्होत्रा जी के साथ, सारी फैमिली के साथ, और खूब अच्छी सेहत आप भगवान आपको दे. Once again, very happy birthday, and I offer you this rose pink so that you smile like this gulab. बस बंद कर.
Uncle.
लिली जी नमस्कार. Many happy returns of the day. 70th birthday ਤੇ special event ਹੈ because it marks end of first innings of life. ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਰੀ responsibilities are discharged और सब कुछ आदमी ने settle कर ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ and one becomes really free to enjoy life. So now is the time for you and Malhotra साहब to really enjoy life. So एक request मैं करांगा कि before I return back to India, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ Malhotra साहब please visit Abu Dhabi so that I can show you around Abu Dhabi की है. Second, my best wishes for good health and happiness. ਕਾਫੀ ਦਿਨ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਹੁਣ ਕੋਈ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ. ਪਹਿਲੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੜੇ ਅੱਛੇ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਭੇਜ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ. ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਲੁੱਕ ਐਟ ਕਿ ਜੀ ਕਿਸ ਨਈ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਭੇਜੋ ਤੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਭੇਜੋ. ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਹਾਂਗਾ ਕਿ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਜਾਓ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਤਾਰੀਫ ਸੁਣੀ ਦੀਏ. ਬੱਚੇ नानी 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 के घर जाना है, नानी के घर जाना है. और ऑफ कोर्स लॉकडाउन उन्ना विजिट नहीं कर सकते, फिर भी बच्चे होन की वड्डे.
Happy birthday,
Auntie.
we wish you a long, happy and a healthy life.
We love you, Vade Nani.
Keep smiling, Auntie. It's a great feeling to meet you every time. It's a pleasure seeing you smiling all the time, and it's fantastic catching up with you and Uncle. So we hope to see you soon more often. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lily.
Wish you all the best, and may God fill your life with all happiness, with a long and healthy life, and all your cherished dreams come true at the earliest.
ये मार्च के महीने के बाद जितने भी जनों के बर्थडेज आए हैं, हम जब भी मिलेंगे मिलके सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. और एक बात और मैं कहना चाहती हूँ, आपकी पर्सनालिटी में एक सादगी है, सिंप्लिसिटी है, जो दिल को छूती है. हमेशा खुश रहें. Enjoy your birthday. Have a great day.
Bye bye.
Hi again. That was only half the people, so you've got way more to see. And that's so much. You're pretty popular.
Hello.
Hello, Didi.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Didi.
Reading your posts is always a big pleasure.
Oh yeah, they really are an inspiration. Keep posting, keep posting. We love reading them, although we may not reply always, but it is really a pleasure reading, right?
Yeah, we really love them and wishing you very healthy and enjoyable life ahead and Happy New Year. Lots of love. Happy birthday, Didi.
Happy birthday, Didi. Have a safe birthday and a very happy and a prosperous new year. Keep blessing us. Thanks.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Didi. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Didi. May God bless you with long, healthy, and happy life. Once again, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Didi. Many more.
Happy birthday, dear Lily Didi. Enjoy your day. God bless you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल है मेरी ये आरज़ू. Happy birthday to
Happy birthday, Didi. It is a great milestone. 70 years is a great milestone. And we wish you all the happiness, health, and love of family and friends for future. Happy birthday.
Hi, Didi. Happy birthday to you. I always believe in legends are born in December. So we both are legends of Mallan family. I hope everybody of us agrees to it. Fine? May you live long. May you live another 30 years to complete your century. And we all, brother and sisters, are there, hale and hearty, to see you complete your century. May God bless you with health, wealth, and happiness. Thank you.
Thanks a lot to give me a privilege to say something on the happiest birthday of my respected Didi, Lily Didi. Lily Didi, happy birthday. Many returns of the day. God bless you with a happy and healthy life ahead.
Happy birthday, Didi.
Happy birthday. We are celebrating your birthday.
Happy birthday, Lily Didi. It is very good to know that you are celebrating your 70th birthday. See how time flies. It looks only yesterday when you were married. That day is vividly in my memory when you were looking very radiant and exuberant to meet a very handsome man, Ashok Malhotra. I know your life journey has not been very smooth. It has seen lot of upheavals and difficulties, but your sheer farsightedness and wisdom saw that you kept the family together and raised the children very well. And at present, you are in the peak of your time. You are enjoying your life with your grandchildrens, and I really wish that we live to see many more days like this and you complete a century. So I wish you that from me and Bala, we wish you a very happy birthday. And
hello, hi. I wish you a very happy 70th birthday. I heard him saying and got to know a few things about your past and your difficult phase in your life. But life goes through different phases. I wish you all the best. Have a wonderful life ahead. Bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. मैं खुदा परस्त हूँ, इसलिए खुदा से ये दुआ करूँ, तेरे दम से है मेरी जिंदगी, तेरे दम की उम्र दराज हो. दीदी, I want to tell you, you are beautiful, worthy, important, special, unique, talented, and you are like a friend to us. दीदी, इसीलिए हम आपको बहुत मोहब्बत करते हैं. हमारे दिल से दुआएं, बहुत सारी दुआएं आपके लिए. Once again, happy birthday to you from me and from my family.
हाँ बोलो.
हाँ की बोला?
ओहो, हैप्पी बर्थडे लिली.
Happy birthday to you.
Lily,
Happy birthday to dear Lily. Happy birthday to प्यारी बेटी. Long live प्यारी बेटी.
हो गया.
Didi, very happy birthday. We love you. It's a pleasure knowing you. Lovely sister. Have a peaceful, happy, healthy life ahead. Happy birthday.
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. May you prosper in life.
Didi, happy birthday. God bless you with good health and happiness in life.
Happy birthday, Didi, and Happy New Year. Enjoy your day. Stay blessed.
Many happy returns of the day, Masi. Wish you all the happiness, love, good health, and prosperity. Stay young, stay positive. I really enjoy the way you are always ready to learn new things around yourself. You inspire me in many ways. Thank you for always sharing your small little learnings in the group. Happy birthday, Masi. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Very happy birthday, Bua. We all love you so much. From Nanny, Umang, Mama, Papa, you're the best. I wish you all the happiness, good health in the coming year. May all your dreams come true and you be always happy. We all love you. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and see you soon.
Peri Pena. Many happy returns of the day. Have a great day and a great year ahead. We wish you were here in Bombay spending time with us. आप आ जाओ कभी, बहुत मजा आएगा when you're here. घूमेंगे फिरेंगे, मौज मस्ती करेंगे.
Lily, wish you very happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you happy and long life.
Happy birthday, Mami Ji. You blossom like a lily flower. Very happy birthday to you. May you have cheerful years ahead. And happy birthday from your great granddaughter. Happy birthday from Ivana. Thank you.
Ivana.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Mami Ji. We all love you so much. छोटी सी पोएट्री आपके लिए. Hope you will like it. लोधी रोड की नन्ही गली हंसते खिलखिलाती एक प्यारा सा फूल बनी. अपने नाम लिली को जीती, खुशियों और मुस्कुराहटें सब तरफ बिखेरती. उड़ती जाती आंखों में ढेरों सपने लिए, बचपन और यौवन को पीछे छोड़ते हुए. पर हर पल को जी भर कर जिए, देती है हमें ये मिसाल. उम्र तो एक बहाना है, हर लम्हे को हंसकर जीना है. रखो अपने को हमेशा आगे, हम रखो अपने अंदर के बच्चे को हमेशा आगे. जिंदगी की रफ्तार यूं ही भागे, जी लो इन सुनहरे पलों को सबको लगा कर गले. May this new year gets you all that you desire and wish. और आप हमेशा हम सबके ऊपर अपना प्यार भरा, स्नेह भरा आशीर्वाद यूं ही रखते रहो और ऐसे ही हम सबके ऊपर अपना प्यार और दुलार बिखेरते रहो. Loads and loads of love and blessings and wishes always for you. Love you loads. A very happy special 70th birthday.
Hello, Mami Ji. आपके लिए केक, कैंडल and a balloon to celebrate your 70th birthday. Now Benny will say a few words, then I'll take over.
Mami Ji, the most beautiful, adorable Mami Ji, Meri Mami Ji. May God bless you till eternity. Your 70th birthday is a very special birthday and we all love you. And your talks, your poems, your motivational talks, we always enjoy. Keep the spirit like this.
Anji Mami Ji, our blue color girl. Yeah, she's a blue color girl. The blue color girl, the most beautiful mommy in our family. We wish you a very happy birthday. We wish you a very good health. We love you, your humbleness, your sweetness, and above all, your humility, which is unparalleled in whole family. So from our side, enjoy the most, and we wish you a very happy birthday and many more to come and very good health. Take care. Bye bye, Mami Ji. We love you.
All this with our handsome Mama Ji.
Yes, definitely the most beautiful couple of our family. So we love you. Take care. Bye bye.
The best pillar.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Mami Ji. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Lily
birthday, Lily Mami ji. God bless you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lily Daddy. Happy birthday to you. You are so cute. We love you. Huggy. Poochie. Love you, Lily Daddy. Happy birthday, Lily Mami ji. Thanks for always being so warm, so special, and making our meetings memorable. Thanks for always clicking one picture with me. And stay amazing as you are. I wish you very healthy, happy life. Have a amazing 70th birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami ji.
Happy 70th birthday, Mami ji.
Happy birthday, Mami ji. Wishing you good health and happiness. Have a lovely time.
Have a lovely day.
Happy birthday, Lily Auntie.
Today, Nani ji. Have a great year ahead and many, many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday नानी चाची जी. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chachi. Happy birthday to you. We love you, love you, love you, love you. God bless you for umpteen more years. अच्छा, एक छोटा सा मैंने आपके लिए कुछ बनाया, प्लीज मैं वो सुना दूं. अपनी प्यारी प्यारी लिली आंटी के लिए सुना दूं. ओके. हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना. हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना. सुना गम जुदाई का उठाते हैं लोग, जाने जिंदगी कैसे बिताते हैं लोग. दिन भी यहाँ तो लगे बरस के समान, हमें इंतजार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना. हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना. चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी यूं जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल न जाना सनम. Okay, there is one small one also. ये दिल तुम बिन कहीं लगता नहीं, हम क्या करें. ये दिल तुम बिन कहीं लगता नहीं, हम क्या करें. तुम ही कह दो अब ऐ जाने वफा, हम क्या करें. ऑलराइट चाची जी, मैं सिर्फ इतना बोलना चाहती हूँ कि हम सब लोग, ऑल ऑफ अस, जॉइन हैंड्स पूजा, हम लोग आपको बहुत 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 प्यार करते हैं. वी लव यू आंटी. भगवान आपको खूब लंबी उम्र दराज करे, जिसमें कि आप हमेशा हेल्दी रहे, खुश. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच लिली आंटी. वी लव यू. गॉड ब्लेस यू. मेरा मन कर रहा है कि मैं इसी वक्त आपको पकड़ के जब भी मान लूं, बस जोर से आपको पकड़ लूं बस.
अंकल लिली आंटी का ख्याल रखो.
अंकल जी एंड आंटी जी, आप दोनों हमेशा एक दूसरे के साथ हमेशा बने रहें, आप दोनों का साथ हमेशा बने रहे एंड हेल्दी एंड हैप्पी रहे आप सब। हमारी बहुत 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 बेस्ट विशेष एंड दुआएं हैं प्रभु से। हम हमेशा आप सबके लिए, हमारे पूरे परिवार से, पूरे परिवार के लिए हम दुआ मांगते हैं। ईश्वर आप सबको खुश रखे और हमें, हमारे सिर पर आप दोनों का हाथ हमेशा बना रहे। Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday once again. And Happy New Year also. God bless you. Thank you.
Happy 70th birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily Auntie. And may God bless you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life, dear Chachi ji. And may God bless you. भगवान जी आपको बहुत अच्छी सेहत दे।
Happy birthday, dear Nani ji. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Nani ji. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday, Nani.
Bless you and give you all the happiness in life. We love you so much. Mwah.
many happy returns of the day, Nani ji. God bless you. भगवान आपको लंबी उम्र दे, सेहत का ख्याल रखना और कभी ना कभी जरूर मिलेंगे। टेक केयर।
आज आपका 17th बर्थडे है। 70th नहीं है तो आपको 18, 19, 20 ऐसे ही अब नेक्स्ट चलने हैं अपने सारे साल, और आपको हमारे ऊपर बिल्कुल अपना पूरा आशीर्वाद बनाए रखना है और ढेर सारा प्यार आपको हमारी तरफ से। And happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lily Auntie.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. You are the best person. You are a pure soul. I love you, Chachi ji. Love you. Happy birthday to you. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lily Auntie. Happy birthday to you. बार दिन ये गाए, बार दिन ये गाए, हजारों साल जिंदगी है आयु। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lily Auntie. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, God bless.
ये प्यारा जन्मदिन आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। भगवान करे आपकी लंबी उम्र हो, खुश रहो, अच्छी हेल्थ हो और ध्यान रखो प्लीज। Once again, happy birthday.
70th birthday, Lily Mommy. Hope you have a wonderful day.
Lily Mommy, you are the best. You'll always showered love and affection on us. We wish you loads of happiness, very good health, and a very, very long life.
And we look forward to celebrating your birthday with much fanfare very soon. Have a wonderful day. Keep smiling. You have a lovely smile.
Thank you, Lily Mommy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
It gives me great pleasure to wish Lily a very happy 70th birthday. This is a landmark birthday and I wish her many more landmarks ahead. She's a wonderful lady. Wherever she goes, she spreads peace and happiness. An ideal daughter, sister, wife and mother. She has fulfilled all her roles perfectly well. And now she keeps herself busy, being very active on the social media, keeping in touch with everyone and keeping everybody very happy. I wish you all the success and a great life ahead. Have a splendid day. Thank you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Lily Auntie.
wish you a very, very happy birthday with lots of health and love and peace and prosperity.
Thank you for being such a warm and generous person, Auntie. Love you.
We love you.
And a very happy 70th. It's a big landmark. So all the best in the forthcoming years. And I'm sorry we haven't heard any of your jokes, and we have to get to know you a little more to hear all of those informal jokes. All the best. Have a rocking year ahead, and love you lots. And it's been great getting to know you a lot more than I did when we didn't come to Gurgaon. Chalo, Vijay bolo. Vijay bolo.
Come on. Really, it has been a wonderful journey. We have really enjoyed. We really appreciated all that you do and all that you are. You are a wonderful person.
Warm-hearted, giving, loving. Again, bolo.
बोलो नहीं तो तुसी बोलो मैं बोलना ही तो
All of the above. Prit feels the same. We really, really have lots of good and warm feelings for you. God bless you always. Over and out. All the best.
So, Auntie Lily, we wish you
Health
love, blessings, happiness,
and joy. God bless. God And bless have a
you.
great day.
Happy birthday.
birthday. Love you.
Love you.
Stay safe.
Bye.
Many, many happy returns of the day. Wishing you good health, wealth, and lots of happiness.
A small note from दिल से just for you चाची जी. रिश्तों को निभाना खूब आता है आपको, ये हम सब में है जाना. पकवान अच्छे बनाना और अपने प्यारे अंदाज से सबको खिलाना. You have carried out all your responsibilities with a smile. Always being warm, loving and caring has always been part of your profile.
A small performance for you, Chachi ji, on your birthday.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना, señorita.
Happy birthday, Chachi ji, and happy birthday with long life, with good health, and many more years to come. And very nice. We covered together long distances, and especially आपकी पंजीरी बहुत याद आती. आज पूर्णमासी का प्रसाद भी आप ही ने खाना सिखाया था. Since then, वो भी taste है अभी तक.
It's been the starting we had from Ashok Vihar, where you got married, and then we came to Kamla Nagar, and then Pratap Bagh, and ultimately we were in Shalimar Bagh with you all the time. We were all blessed with your blessings, and thank you so much for all this. And with this, we wish you a very, very happy birthday.
And you gave so much of love to my children also. उनको तो खैर बहुत, they are a big fan of yours.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Lily Mama. Lots of good wishes. God bless you. Have an amazing year ahead. We hope to meet you soon. Stay safe. Bye.
How are you? We wish
Happy-
you a very, very happy 70th birthday.
Yes, happy birthday from my side also, and we wish you a very happy life ahead and so many happiness coming on your way. And also, we are missing your jokes because
Yeah.
whenever we spend time with you guys, we get so many jokes from you.
I
We
know.
had a lot of we have a ball all the time.
All
And-
the time. And we remember the train trip that we had while coming back from Jammu.
Yes, I love your cookies joke. I hope you remember that. I love that. And
yes, I
wish we would meet soon and celebrate your birthday. And
Yes, and I miss your sevaiya. And and I miss panjiri. And I miss your chane. You know?
It's a long list. So soon we'll be catching up with you
Yes,
guys.
we will see you
And
soon.
Namaste to Dolly uncle also. And we'll see you soon.
Yes, and we
Bye.
wish you a very, 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 very happy,
Happy birthday.
healthy, and full of
birthday,
luck.
Lily Mama. May God bless you, and may God bless you with everything, all the joy, all the happiness in your life. And it's your 70th birthday, but I really don't think you were 70. You were just sweet 16 for me, and you'll always remain sweet 16 for me. I really love you, and I can't thank you for everything that you've given to me and my family and our family, Malhotra family. You've been a God's grace to us. Thank you so much. And I still remember the days when we were in Shalimar Bagh, then we were in Pitampura, we were in Rohini, and now we are in Gurgaon together. I really love you, and may God bless you with all the happiness. Thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for being with me as my grandmother. And I can't say much more about it because then it will become a very long video. But I really love you. I really, really, really love you. पेरी पहना, जय माता दी. भगवान करे आपको हजारों साल मिलें जीने के लिए. Thank you so much.
Hello, Bobby. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. May God bless you with very long life and lot of happiness and good health. And enjoy your 70th birthday. I wish we all could meet also and celebrate in a lovely way. But anyway, you can now enjoy.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi auntie, wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with lots of happiness and good health in coming years.
Hello Lily, how are you? What are you doing? सुना है कि तू 70 साल की हो गई है. वाह, बचपन की बातें याद आ रही हैं कि एकदम मतलब कि कैसे अपने इतने बड़े हो गए, बुढ़े हो गए हम लोग. लेकिन हम बुढ़े नहीं हैं, हम बड़े यंग हैं, है ना. मैं तेरे पूरी फोटो देखती रहती, बहुत सुंदर आती, बहुत ही सुंदर आती है. और कौन कहता तू 70 साल की हो गई है? नहीं, तू 70 साल की नहीं, 17 साल की है. और बता लिली, पुरानी बातें बहुत याद है, खास करके गिक्कू ने मेरे को बहुत सताया हुआ है, बहुत सताया हुआ है. बाइक स्कूटर में ले जाता और इतना डराता. देखो सब, गिक्कू कैसा है भाई? मेरे को बहुत याद आती है उसकी, गिक्कू की. और बता, चल मैं तेरे लिए गाना गाऊं. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुझे हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू लिली बिली, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू लिली बिली, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू माय लिली मासी. लिली, याद है ना तेरे को, एक ड्राइवर बिल्ली बिल्ली बोलता था, तूने उसके कस के थप्पड़ बस में मारा था. मैं टिनी को बताती रहती हूँ तेरी बातें. मैं ऑलवेज तेरी बातें बताती रहती हूँ कि हमने बहुत मस्ती करी है. हेमा तो तेरे को पता है, जब आती थी सब पीछे हट जाते थे, वो मेरी आती थी, तुम सबको गुस्सा आता था. और चाची जी की बहुत याद आती. मैं सबको बताती हूँ, मेरी चाची जी भरता और चावल बनाती थी और शाही ब्रेड. क्या हम लोग खूब, पहले हम लोग प्रेस करते थे कपड़े और उसके बाद हम सब मिल के खाते थे. बहुत इंजॉय करा हमने, बहुत ही इंजॉय करा. और चाची जी की बहुत याद आ रही. चाचा जी टीनी को तो कैसे प्यार से सुबह उठ के, मैं सोई होती थी, टीनी को पोटी वोटी सब कराना उन्होंने.
और कुछ नहीं बोलने को मिला था. 48 ईयर की टीनी की पोटी. ओह माय गॉड.
टीनी को गोदी में लेके चाचा जी, मैं सोई पड़ी होती थी, चाचा जी टीनी को लेके अपने रूम में ले जाते और इसको खूब प्यार व्यार चाची जी कर देती. मेरे को तो बहुत प्यार दिया, बहुत ही प्यार दिया मेरे पियर वालों ने. कहते हैं दर्शना हमारे घर की रौनक है. और बता,
और क्या बताएं.
और लिली, तो कभी आना है, कभी आना है तो बर्थडे में केक वेक तो भेज दे भैया. अकेले के. अरे अशोक कैसा है? बहुत याद आती है उसने की फोटो देखी, बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को देख के. और उसको याद दिलाना. एक प्रोग्राम बना लो भैया आने का. जीते जी मिलने, मरने के बाद क्या फायदा, फोटोएं लगेंगी. वो भी पता नहीं कोई लगाएगा नहीं आजकल.
मम्मी बस चुप. ओके लिली मासी, विश यू मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे.
70 is a very, very good number, and hope within 5 years you make it what you say diamond jubilee, and we all will be there to celebrate together. Mom is almost going to complete this year her diamond jubilee, right? But she says she is 17 or 18. She can never be
मैंने
17.
सारे जेवर उतार के इनको दे दिए.
अच्छा जेवर दे दिए. ओफो बस
मैं
अब
साधु
और
बन गई.
घर
अभी क्या इनका पोल खुल रहा है ना. अभी पोल खुल
Okay,
रहा है.
bye. Take care. Love
Hi,
you
Lily.
all.
I'm so excited to be sharing this milestone 70th birthday with you. What a special day for you, and what a journey. What can I say? We started our journey when we were barely in our teens, and we had such a lovely time growing up together. We went to school together, we went to college together. I remember you and Billy coming to collect me, and then we walking to school together, and then our journey to college. And later, all of us getting married one by one, you, me. I remember when you met Ashok. I do remember Silky and Voski being born, and then I lost touch with you for some time. We were not in the digital age that I could have found you easily. However, after a gap of many years, with the magic of social media, I was able to find you once again. And what a joy it was. But all this time you lived in my heart, and when we did finally meet after a long time, nothing had changed. You were still the same warm, loving person, and we met each other with such warmth again. And my most pleasurable moment was last year when I was able to see you face to face once again with Ashok and relive some of the lovely memories going back to Lodi Colony, to your house, to my house, and then having a lovely meal together. But it was such a short time we had together. I wish we can have some more memorable, pleasurable times in the future. This has been a very challenging year for everyone, and I just hope that we are able to spend some lovely times together in the future. I wish you a very happy journey ahead with Ashok, with your children, with grandchildren, and of course me being a little part of it at some point. Wish you a very happy birthday. Stay safe, stay happy, and enjoy. I love you a lot. Miss you. And here's to your 70th birthday. If I can get it right, your 70th birthday balloon. Love you. Take care. Hi, Lily. What a pleasure to be sharing your special 70th birthday. What a journey. What a milestone. I'm so excited to be able to share this birthday with you. And what a journey we had. We started a journey such a long time ago when we were barely in our teens. We shared our growing pains, our crushes, our heartbreaks together. And what fun it was to be going to school and college together, you and Billy coming to collect me, then we walking through to school, and then our journey later on to college when we started college. It was so much fun. Then every one of us getting married one by one. I remember when you met Ashok, your marriage, my marriage, what times we had. But unfortunately, after a while, we lost touch. But all that time, you lived in my heart. Finally, after a long time, I was able to find you via social media, the digital age, magic of digital age. I was able to find you on Facebook, and what a pleasure it was. The highlight was to be able to see you last year personally, face to face, and spend some time with you, although it was very short time, but it was so special that I was able to see you and Ashok. We had such a lovely time going back to Lodi Road, reliving some of the memories, seeing your house, my house, how the things had changed. It was so beautiful. And I really hope to see and relive some more memories with you again in the future. This has been such a challenging year, and I really hope that we are able to spend more quality time together in the future. I wish you all the happiness and health in the future. Best wishes for a lovely journey ahead with Ashok, with your children, grandchildren, and me being a little part of it as well. Wish you all the happiness. Stay healthy, stay happy. Love you. Best wishes. Happy 70th. Happy 70th. Love you.
Many happy returns of the day, Lily Auntie. Have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Lily Auntie. Hope you have a birthday blast.
हैप्पी बर्थडे आंटी, गॉड ब्लेस यू। आप दोनों एक दूसरे का साथ बहुत अच्छी तरह से देते रहो। मैं यही दुआ करती हूँ आपके लिए, आपकी उम्र इतनी लंबी हो और आपको कभी कोई परेशानी ना आए। आई मिस यू। आप हमारे को छोड़ के चले गए, लेकिन हम आपको इसी तरह मिस करते रहेंगे। आप हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छी रही हो और बहुत अच्छी रहोगी। बस मैं इतना ही कह सकती हूँ आपके लिए।
हैप्पी बर्थडे आंटी और हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
ये हमारी तरफ से आपके लिए हैप्पी न्यू ईयर आंटी, अंकल। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। आपको भगवान सारी खुशियाँ दे।
Hi auntie, my walking partner. Wishing you a happy 70th birthday auntie. Wishing you many happy returns of the day and have loads of fun. आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आंटी।
हेलो लिली जी, आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। हमारी शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ हैं।
A very happy birthday, Auntie. God bless you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily Auntie. Happy birthday to you.
We all wish you very happy birthday. Stay blessed and beautiful always. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday, auntie.
Lily ji, very happy birthday to you. You are such a beautiful and dynamic personality. We love you. May God bless you. You may have many happy returns of the day for the future. You know?
Hello. So nice to meet you, Lily ji. Happy birthday, and we wish you all good health and happiness for the years to come.
God bless you.
Hi Lily, a very happy birthday, my dear friend. A very special day today, right? Can you imagine? We are entering our 7th decade in life. It seems like yesterday, our Lodi Road days, going to college, coming back together, changing our bus at Saptajang Airport. The memory of those days is so fresh in my mind. You have been the best friend, the best daughter, best wife, best mother, everything best for you, and above all, a best human being. Although we got busy in our lives, but our friendship had sailed smoothly through all these years. Today, I wish you a very happy birthday, a very happy, healthy, and blissful life ahead. Have a great day and spend your time with your loved ones and create wonderful memories.
Hi Lily. I wish you a very happy birthday on your 70th birthday, I would say. It's been, I think, more than 50 years that we know each other from school time. And I really remember those days when we were living in Lodi colony, and I used to visit you every evening to your place, and we used to have a big chat standing in your balcony watching the outside crowd. And on a Sunday, I used to come to your place to eat mutton curry made by your dad.
And I really remember one more instance that I came with you people to Jalandhar to visit your Chachu's marriage, which was really good. Those memories are still in my mind. And after that, there was no touch between us. And because of this internet and Facebooks and all, we got in touch once again, and that was in Melbourne. We met each other in Melbourne. You had visited your son and I had visited my daughter, and we met in your son's house where I met your daughter, son-in-law, your son and everyone, and we really had a nice time over there, and it was really nostalgic to meet you after so many years. And after that, really we are in touch. We don't see each other because I live in Bangalore and you live in Delhi, but let's hope that we keep meeting. And I think I have talked a lot, so I wish you once again on your 70th birthday, and I wish you good health, long
Bye, Dadi, and that brings us to the end of the clip. You really deserved all those wishes and blessings. Happy 70th birthday. Bye.